Hello all. Welcome to Creative Ideas YouTube channel. I am here to explain you about basic of electronics and programming thing. Come with me to learn creatively and innovatively. Let's go to the video. Let's learn how to blink and LED using Arduino's digital output. If you are new to Arduino, this is a great place to start. We will connect an LED to the Arduino UNO and compose a simple program to turn the LED on and off. LED's legs are connected to two pins on the Arduino, ground and pin 13. The component between the LED and pin 13 is a resistor, which helps limit the current to prevent the LED from burning itself out. Without it, you'll get a warning that the LED might burn out soon. It doesn't matter whether the resistor comes before or after the LED in the circuit, or which way around it goes. The colored stripes identify the resistor's value, and for this circuit, anywhere from 100 ohms to 1000 ohms will work great. The LED, on the other hand, is polarized, which means it only works when the legs are connected a certain way. The positive leg, called the anode, usually has a longer leg and gets wired to power, in this case coming from your Arduino's output pin. The negative leg, called the cathode, with its shorter leg, connects to ground. Next is the code's setup, which helps set up things your program will need later. It runs once when the program starts up, and contains everything within its curly braces. Our Blink Sketches setup configures pin 13 as an output, which prepares the board to send signals to its curly braces. This part of the code will execute on repeat, so long as the board has power. The colored text following double slashes are also comments to help make the program easier to understand. The output command we are using is called digital write, which is a function that sets a pin high or low, on or off. To pause the program, we will use delay, which takes a number of milliseconds. Please subscribe to the channel for more information about Arduino.